Hi friends, how are you today? I figured that since we've already learned all of our capital and lowercase letter names and sounds, we should start putting them together to make some words. What do you think? Do you want to make some words with me? Perfect! Then I think we should play Let's Make a Word! Let's get to it. In this game of Let's Make a Word, we're going to be using word families. Word families? Who even knew that was a thing? Kind of like me and Mr. Cameron and baby Silas and our dog Cal are a family. Some letters can go together just like a family to make rhyming words. And all you have to do is switch out one letter out of the whole word to make a whole new word. So let's say hello to some word families. Our first word family that I'd like to introduce you to is at. Oh, the at family. Can you say, hello, at family? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. The at family, of course, consists of the A and the T. Let's put them together to make at. The A says at, and the T says t. At. Let's try it again. At. Perfect. Now, at by itself is a whole word, like I was at the grocery store. But we can also add letters before those letters to make a whole new word. Should we try it? Let's do it. What letter should we use first? What about the letter P? P. What does P say? You're right. Mama P says p. So let's put the P sound in this hand, p. And let's put the at family in this hand, at. And then we can put them together to make a new word. Let's try it. P, at, pat. Pat. We made the word pat, like I pat my head, or I pat my belly, or my friend Pat. Let's try it again. P, at, pat. One more time. P, at, pat. Wow, we just made a word and read it. Great job. High five. But that's not the only word we can make with the at family. Let's say goodbye to the P and add something else. Can you help me push that P out of the way? Ready? Okay. What letter should we use next? What about the S? What does the S say? You're right. Put the S sound in this hand. S. And put the at family in this hand. At. Now let's put them together. S. At. Sat. S. At. Sat. Sat. Like I sat on my chair. Sat. We made a whole new word. We got rid of the P, added the S, but kept the at family. S. At. Sat. Perfect. I love word families. Let's get rid of that S. Ready? Help me push. Perfect. What other letters can join the at family to make a new word? I know. What about the B? What does B say? I remember. Baby B says b. So let's put that sound in this hand. B. And let's put the at family in this hand. At. B. At. Bat. Let's do it again. B. At. Bat. Bat. Like a baseball bat. B. At. Bat. We used the at family to make another word. Awesome. Let's see what other words we can make with the at family. Bye-bye, B. Perfect. What if I use, I know, a C? C. What does the C say? What does the hard C say? Kind of like the K, it says K. Put the K sound in this hand and the at family in this hand. Then we'll make a word. Ready? K, at, cat. Let's do it again. K, at, cat. One more time. K, at, cat. Whoa, another word for the at families. This is so fun making new words with our word families, isn't it? Let's say goodbye to that C. Perfect. What other letters can we use to make a word with the at family? I know. What about our fire F? Yeah, the fire F. What does F say? You're right. Let's put the F in this hand and the at family in this hand. Here we go. At, fat. One more time. At, fat. Fat. We made the word fat. Like the fat cat sat on the bat. All of these words end in at, which means that all of these words rhyme. So not only are we building words, we're building rhyming words. That helps our ears hear the sound and our eyes read the words. Let's get rid of that F. Ugh. Do you think there's any other words we can use to build the at family? What if we use an R? What does the R say? You're right. Put the R in this hand. Put the at family in this hand. At. Let's try it. At, rat. Let's try it again. At, rat. One more time. At, rat. Rat. Wow, another word. We found so many rhyming words with the at family, and there's even more where that came from. That's awesome. I love working with word families because I love building words and rhyming. If you have magnetic letters, or really any kind of letters, or you just want to use your hand and write the letters, you can find even more words with the at family. I can't wait to see how many words you can come up with the at family. Happy word hunting. Bye-bye.